Hey, it's Ian Cooper with Trader Insight. We've been receiving quite a few questions about the Ebola stock at Tekmira, symbol TKMR. Traders want to know if it's still a buy, and the shortest answer I can give you is we'd hedge on the long and short side of this trade. Tekmira has become a fear-based blind momentum trade on the virus news, but we have to remember that once fear subsides, fear-based stocks do come back to reality at some point. Now, ever since the Ebola virus scare hit, shares of TKMR have exploded from about 9 to more than 26 a share. That's more than a 185% move in no time at all, solely on blind momentum. The World Health Organization just declared the outbreak an international emergency, warning that it could spread further. And the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has said the spread of Ebola to the U.S. is inevitable. We've learned that the virus that starts off with flu-like symptoms has affected more than 1,000 people around the world, killing more than 670 since the winter, according to the WHO. We've also learned the U.S. is wildly unprepared if an Ebola outbreak were to occur. However, while there's always a possibility of cases in the U.S., we've also learned that Ebola would not pose a major public health risk because people need to be intimate contact to spread the virus, according to Michael Osterholm, a biosecurity expert and director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota, as quoted by USA Today. Unfortunately, try telling that to millions of panicky citizens, though, if just one case popped up. Logic and science would go right out the window, and stocks like Tekmira could easily explode. Eventually, though, as we said, we have to remember that the Ebola story will die off and that overbought realities will kick in with this stock. News that patients treated in Hong Kong, Toronto, and Saudi Arabia testing negative for the virus could calm some of the global chaos and the overwhelming demand for this stock. Again, though, the best way to trade a stock move like this is to hedge with a long and short-based strategy. Again, this has been Ian Cooper with Trader Insight. We will talk again soon.